Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the country or shipping region in the AliExpress app on your Android phone. This can help you get better shipping options, more accurate prices, and product availability based on your location. Let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your Android phone. Now, click the settings icon located at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, find and tap on Ship To. Now, from the country list, scroll and select your desired country. If a region prompt appears, choose your region. If it asks for a city, select the appropriate city as well. The app will now adjust prices, currencies, and shipping options based on your new location. That's it. You've successfully changed your country in the AliExpress app. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.